to see their result, to find their result, to find the judgment of God for their eternal life. Then there is a hadith that at some place after Muzdalifah, people at that time, there were more than 1 lakh Muslims with the Prophet of Islam during Hajjatul Wada. So what happened? After Muzdalifah, they tried to rush. Everyone wanted to go ahead. So Prophet of Islam said, Ayyuhan nas, as-sakina ayyuhan nas, as-sakina ayyuhan nas. O people, don't rush. Running is not a virtue. Go slowly, proceed slowly. It means that overtaking is not allowed in Islam. This was habit of overtaking. When you try to rush, when you are with some gathering with other people, and you try to rush, so this is not a virtue. It is a overtaking in life, overtaking in road, overtaking at any place is forbidden in Islam. You have to be modest. You have to give chance others. Overtaking means you are not ready to give chance others. It is not sympathetic attitude. You have to be sympathetic to others. So don't overtake. Give chance others. So Prophet of Islam said, as-sakina ayyuhan nas, as-sakina ayyuhan nas. Then, there is a ritual that is called Rami. Rami means stoning the Satans. All the Haji stone Satans. But this stoning is a symbolic stoning. It's not real stoning. Stoning during Hajj, stoning to Satan during Hajj is a symbolic stoning. Real stoning begins when you return from Hajj. And that is real stoning. Why? When you return from Hajj, you are living in family, in society. So there are other people. Here you face Satan again and again. Man has some vulnerable point for Satan. All those desires are vulnerable point for Satan. So when one provokes you and you become angry, then Satan enters in your personality. So all those negative thoughts are penetrating point of Satan. For example, ego, malice, hate, anger, and lust, and selfishness, all these feelings gives Satan a penetrating point. These things are vulnerable point in your personality. From here, Satan enters in your personality and activate you. So you have to stone here. real stoning is here. There is a verse in the Quran, وَإِذَا مَسَّهُمْ طَائِفٌ مِّنَ الشَّيْطَانِ تَذَكَّرُوا. So when you feel that Satan has touched you, Satan tries to penetrate in your personality, Satan tries to activate you, negative thoughts. So you have to be alert. Here is the real stoning. You have to say, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min hamadati shayateen, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min ash-shaytanir rajeem, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi al-aliyyil azim. This is real stoning. This is real stoning. So don't allow Satan to penetrate in your personality. All those desires are vulnerable point. All those negative thoughts are vulnerable point. So you have to be alert. You have to be alert. So stoning Satan means that you are giving a pledge. You are taking a pledge that I will not allow Satan to penetrate in my personality. Here is the real stoning. During Hajj, that is symbolic stoning. And when you return your life, in your family, in your society, then begins real stoning of Satan. Then there is Zamzam, water of Zamzam. So all the Haji drink water of Zamzam. It's very important. Zamzam is also a part of history. It is not a sacred thing. Zamzam is not holy water or sacred water. Zamzam, behind Zamzam there is a great history. When Prophet Ibrahim settled Hajra here in this desert, at that time it was desert. So once Hajra saw that there is no water, he wanted water for his child, Ismail. So he was perturbed and he tried to find water from some place. So at that juncture, God opened a stream, a chashma, a stream of water. So this is the Zamzam. And under the land of Makkah, there is a great reservoir of water, which we call Zamzam. So this is a symbol of, also it symbolizes the history, that if you adopt a divine life, if you adopt a life of modesty, life of dawah, if you adopt the mission of Tawheed, then you will receive nusrat from God. Then you will receive blessing from God. Then you will be able to receive help from God. Zamzam is a symbol of help. So Zamzam is a symbol of divine help. Zamzam is not simply a sacred water. Zamzam is a symbol of divine help. So when you drink Zamzam, you remind all the history behind Zamzam. This gives you conviction. This gives you yaqeen. This gives you a confidence that when you devote your life in the mission of God, He will not forget you. He will provide you all those helps, all those assistance.